Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Pixel Gun 3D game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your loadouts within your matches. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixel Gun 3D game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, tap on the Armory button at the bottom left corner. This will now take you into the Weapons tab where you will see all of the weapons that you own. Now you can choose the various different categories, which includes 6 different weapons that you can carry at any given time. Go into the primary section and you will have the various weapons available. You can only equip one weapon of each category, so just tap on your desired weapon and tap on equip at the bottom right corner to equip this weapon onto your desired slot. Once you see the equipped option above the weapon that you want to equip, you can go into the other categories and repeat the same. After making the choice for all 6 slots, you can now go back and begin your battle with your chosen weapons and loadouts. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your loadout on the Pixel Gun 3D game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.